This is the longest I've ever went without upgrading, 2 years. I have the iPhone 14 Pro. That's how long it's been. My hair is not really pink. I am just enjoying the Avril Lavigne moment using my LED lights. So let's open it up. Hi guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Today we will be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Also, sorry for the lighting. I've literally never filmed at night before because I love natural light, but this only just got delivered at 5 p.m. and I have no light at 5 p.m. I hate daylight savings. But anyways, this got delivered at 5 p.m. and I want to open it so bad, so open it with me. Okay, so I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max and I was told to get a USB-C power adapter. So I got that one separately. Like, will Apple give you anything anymore? Remember when they gave us headphones? I haven't upgraded in so long, to the point where T-Mobile, for the T-Mobile Jump program, which is where you trade in your old phone to the last phone, you just pay off the difference of the value of the phones. T-Mobile told me they'd only give me $300. That's how long it's been. I have the iPhone 14 Pro. That's how long it's been. Yeah, and I've never had a big phone. I got like the big phone, but my job is social media. I feel like it's about time. This is the longest I've ever went without upgrading, 2 years. Yeah, it's about time. Ah, so beautiful. This is her. Look at how beautiful. I got the gold color. I don't even know why they call this gold. This is like barely gold. And also the box comes with the wire, but not the box. I cannot believe the power adapter comes separate. How crazy is it? Like, I feel like next time they're not even gonna give us a charger. I also am not too thrilled about being like USB-C, obviously, because now all of my chargers are useless. So I'm really not too thrilled about that at all. And then what else is in here? Oh, just a little pamphlet, and that's all that. Remember when unboxings were fun because there were things in there? I'm so petty. I'm like, remember when things were fun? I mean, it feels light for being so much bigger than this phone. Like, it really does. Oh my God. By the way, I paid like $1,600. I got like 1 terabyte of storage because I need it for content. So the iPhone 16 Pro actually has a bigger screen. It is 6.9 inches with thinner bezels and a lighter titanium frame. The new models have better camera systems with a 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 5x zoom on the Pro Max, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, which is only 3x zoom. And the iPhone 16 series has a faster chip, which offers a significant boost in speed and efficiency. The iPhone 16 Pro actually has faster charging speeds because it supports 45 watts USB-C charging. So while I hate that the chargers are different, if it means the battery life is better, then like, I get it. However, despite the new USB-C port, it still operates at USB-C 3.0 speeds, which definitely disappoints people who were hoping for faster data transfer speeds. And by the way, if you're not sure about the A18 Pro chip, what's the difference? It actually offers up to 15% faster CPU performance, with a 20% improvement on GPU performance as well. And also the new phone supports Wi-Fi 7 for faster wireless speeds. And apparently the dynamic island feature has become more interactive with this phone, with deeper integrations of notifications and multitasking. So that could be really exciting that I could play around with, and you let me know in the comments if you want a review. And also, this phone has an insane 33 hours of video playback. 33 hours, making it one of the longest lasting iPhones for video consumption. And now it's gonna proceed to show me setting up my new phone, which I do love when it does this. And I love this feature so much because maybe I'm showing my age a little bit, but I remember when I had to be at the T-Mobile store and I had so much stuff. I have like hundreds of thousands of pictures and videos. And I just remember having to stay at T-Mobile, waiting for them to move everything through a cord connecting the two phones for hours. That was so bad. Does anyone else have that experience? Like, let me know. I feel like I'm the only one. Follow the instructions on the other phone. This is so cool. Confirm like transfer of your phone number. This is probably not new at all. I'm just kind of like gagged by it as all. But this screen takes up so much more space. The little like black line around is so much thinner on this phone. I feel like you can't see a big difference, but I see a huge difference. Like here, the black lines were on the screen are so much thinner than here. It's like really crazy. Ooh, action button. What is going on? Oh, there's a side button for camera control. So right here, you could like control your camera by clicking that button. That changes the game for us social media people. Oh my God. Okay, but the main differences that I really see is that this screen is so much bigger. I mean, I know it's a Max, but like, yeah. And then also the lines on the screen are so much shorter. And I mean, there's like this now does camera control, which is so cool. And the titanium finish is more rounded. This one is more like, the iPhone 14 Pro is more edged and this is more rounded, which feels a little bit nicer in your hand. All right guys, so it looks like it's gonna take about 8 hours. It's now down to 6 hours though, so looks promising. Oh, it's back up to 7. All right guys, I gotta allow these to process forever. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this unboxing and let me know if you have any comments, questions down below, and let me know if you'd like to see a review. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.